Well, we could pull the bottom. That's what I did on this one.
Huh?
I pulled the bottom hose on and just drain that shit out. But you gotta run this still because you changed your coolant.
Okay. When we go to the store now, or
You need 1 gallon of distilled water. It's like $1 or some shit.
Ow! I didn't fry you. I heard you doing no cry. I don't cry. He said that was a cry. That was one more time hit me and knock you the fuck out. Type of cry.
why you gotta be such a thug?
That is not a thug move.
You know? Why you always gonna thug so
Because,
much?
okay, let me ask you this question. You said you don't act like a thug. Then when you be like, oh, stop. Y'all bitches are too prissy. Wait, time out. I see a real life thing.
Oh yeah, I'm recording, y'all.
Then you say, oh, y'all females are too prissy.
I just thought
I'm in between.
balance,
That's just me.
balance.
Ain't no balance? No.
You want a pistol with motherfuckers?
Yes, that's why probably I ain't got no man. I be fucking my niggas up. I don't give a fuck. I like to play fights. That's just me.
Get home from work, nigga. Where the dinner at?
Nah. As a female, that's something you're supposed to do. So before I leave for work, it'll be done.
Everybody named Mama out today.
I'm screaming, fool.
Word.
39 more days. Right till I can't no more. I got my whole son in my back. Yeah, I need to play that song.
That nigga Chinny like that shit too.
Man, Trini should been in the house with us.
Yo, you know I'm recording, right? Oh shit.
What you do?
Ah, fuck with him. You know you gotta seize the moment.
What you do?
You fall for it every time. That's the funny thing.
Change the subject. That's what that was.
Mr. Officer, allow me with my ganja. Ganja for the park.
Oh, it's getting low.
Huh?
It's getting low.
It still got meat on it?
Absolutely not.
Yo, remember that dude from next door?
Uh-huh.
I forgot he was there, and I was talking. I was like, yo, my man's real funny. Come to that garage. I was talking to my boy Chubbs from what is his name? Chubbs.
Fatty someone
From Gorilla.
Gorilla.
So I didn't know the dude next door was there. He's like, yeah, man, I ain't know that nigga stole bikes. I ain't answer that nigga calls nothing. He said, I'm a welder. I don't want my shit stolen.
This is not working.
So I did you a favor. I kind of sort of indirectly was speaking to him, but I wasn't speaking to him.
What are you talking about? You talking about better?
Yo. What? 125. They got what it got on it. Yeah. Yeah.
That's perfect.
I sent you a picture of it.
Yeah, but you didn't send me a picture of the battery code.
That's your cousin.
That's the right battery code. Your battery code, I just googled it. It's YT12B-BS.
Yeah, they looked it up in the book and what the book?
Nigga said, now you ain't gonna have no more problem. Or if you was gonna have a problem with your seat, so you gonna have to find another one.
You know to see this, you gotta take his helmet off.
Yeah.
Where these brake pads at? Let me get the back.
I got it. I'm about to
Look
bump
at the
that
fronts.
off for 30
Actually,
bucks.
back
I'm gonna
on.
bump that off. Yeah, somebody about to buy that shit.
Remember, I'm recording.
I put that shit on Facebook. Joe Battery sell $30. Niggas and all.
$40.
It's Especially if I got delivered.
And it's brand new. I ain't taking no loss, son.
That's $10 extra for delivery.
I ain't taking no loss, nigga.
I'm at Pool Garage doing the oil change and shit.
It's 3:30 now. 3:30. How's it up outside? I just woke the fuck back up.
Man, it's hot outside, kid. It's 69 right now.
71. This shit fucking
71?
nice as shit.
Yeah, it's 70s today.
Oh my god. I was knocked the fuck out, bro.
Yeah, you on speaker. Pool and Barry here.
So, all I said, I was knocked out.
Who's letting you know you was on speaker?
Yo, Paul, what up, nigga?
What up, man? Just reading my Bible.
Who doesn't even own a Bible?
I do.
Listen, yo, his Bible is made out of plastic.
What the hell that's supposed to mean?
I don't know. It's not.
It's made out of plastic.
I gotta go get my bike. I gotta go get my bike out the garage. I ain't did shit. I can't pick it
Yo,
up.
how much I'm charging for this, pedals?
I jumped some honey jack and went the fuck back to sleep.
$29.95.
You actually gonna pay something? You know I don't charge y'all niggas, right?
You want some food?
Nah, nigga, I don't charge y'all. I'm good, son.
If you hungry, I go to Jamaican spot.
Flirt.
Look.
Nah, I'm
Make
good.
sure you get extra plantains.
Who gonna be like, yo, you alright, man? You alright? We'll work for food. You got the oil thing there?
What?
I mean the brake thing.
What breakdown?
Cause after this, I'm gonna go to Gerb. I'm gonna get my freaking inspection. But I ain't trying to hear these cops' mouth, man. I ain't trying to hear none of these crackers' mouth.
Oh, this gotta close up right before I gotta put it in.
That's how you know she's tight.
It's Saturday. You gotta get your inspection on a weekday.
They don't do inspections
There
on
you go.
Saturdays?
There we go.
Who? They don't do inspections on Saturdays?
I don't know who doing it. We got different shops, different rules.
Huh?
Go Crossbay. Them niggas might do that shit. Stymie had a hook up at Crossbay. Believe that shit? Oh, let me shut up. Don't say nothing crazy. I'm recording.
I bet you that shit won't go on the internet.
Hell nah. I'll never snitch on myself.
You snitched on yourself, buddy.
When?
Huh? How those gloves treating you?
I still got the old ones on. I ain't put these new.
Them shit's stick. What?
I got a spot to go to for your inspection on a weekday for $6. That nigga don't even check your tire threats.
Don't say it on camera. Don't say it
Don't
on
say
camera.
it's who's recording, so
Tell them to send me the link.
just send me the link, bye. Just send me the link.
I can't send you the link, dog. I gotta pay you. Okay.
Oh, is it
Pump the brake.
same spot in Queens, bud?
Pump the brake. Barry, you pump the brake. Just step on it a couple times. Cause his ass gonna pull off and this shit got.
Oh, pump your brakes. You want you to pump your brakes.
Pump the brakes. Use your foot.
Your foot, your hand ain't strong enough. I'm not meaning it like that, but you get more power off your leg. So who the fuck is that?
Oh man.
That's how you pump?
Alright, pal. That's it. Yo.
Oh, wow.
It's not Jamaican, nigga. It's Guyanese.
I know this guy. Can I act like an asshole?
How you doing?
Oh, I'm recording just to let you know. Yo, the fucking. I had to cut this in half because the undertail was rubbing against the fucking tire. It's been rubbing on it for so long, it was paper thin. So I had to cut the shit.
A good woman knows the best.
I'm not doing that shit. Leave it just like that. I cut it. I got a epoxy the tail. Throw it back on. And I'ma probably zip tie this up on it. But I went for a test ride.
That's not should move, right?
Nigga. I'm saying the only thing I called it short right here was like hurting. Cause I'm like cramped up. Right. But
The bike kicks.
That shit even true like dirt and shit up there.
nah. Once that go on, you see how it's gonna fit. But it'll be good to go though.
Yeah, it's nice, man. You should be always riding. And,
Man, I'm fixing bikes today, man.
what the hell with that, bro?
Listen, I ain't missing nothing. I go outside and drop my bike, I'm gonna be so mad. You understand? I'm gonna say, why the fuck they have to listen to him?
I know what you. I'm going out today.
Listen, man, do your thing. I'll be here, man. Enjoying y'all go past.
Yeah, we'll see tonight.
You know what? Let me look at that camera.
If you wrong,
Can't tell me nothing.
Change oils?
Bet 50.
Yeah, his is next.
Okay.
I'll change oil on this. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna do his.
Now, better full tank of gas.
And then we're gonna hold off on the coolant. I'll do your oil after. You got your oil ready?
Do you take it
Yeah, I
back gas?
got some wash over there.
Alright.
No. If.
Y'all test throw that shit around the block, man. I was like, okay.
That shit.
Fuck me. Holy shit.
We'll fire. See? Phone charge.
The key's in the ignition.
That's the investment. We'll see tonight.
Yo, you know a good upholstery spot
You know what I'm saying?
to do the seats over?
Yeah, Jeff.
That's the Eastern Parkway one you was telling me, right?
Eastern Parkway or something, right in the corner. Jeff. Let's tell him to stop by Cindy.
Alright, I gotta drop them off. How long did you take for him to do it?
If you tell him I Cindy, you can do it right there.
Alright? I mean, it's gonna be kind of late though.
Hmm?
What time he closed? You don't got a number for him or something?
I'll hit you back. It's too low?
No, look. They're actually old and dingy, but you got thread on them.
Not enough to pass an inspection.
Yeah. You'll be able to pass it, that shit.
Niggas want to check the threads on the nigga tire or your threads too. I'm like, man, I'm gonna change this. Give me my shit. Boy, I can't.
Boy. Boy.
Boy, I can't do that for you. It's safety first.
Smaller.
How's the ride? Ride today?
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Hell yeah. You pulling out the horse, bro.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with Boo, man. We been right all year, so.
I did. I rode for 2 days. I was paranoid. All I kept on hearing was murder, nigga. You heard Barry?
As soon as we
Barry.
finish,
All I heard was murder, nigga.
as soon as we finish, I'm getting
Oh, shit.
getting these shits, put them on the bars.
Fuck.
My boy showed me a picture. Oh, hold on. Showed me a picture on where it should go. He said it's behind the plastic, so
Oh, where to cut it?
yeah.
Yeah, I got nothing to do with that, kid.
I know when the hotline bling.
Bow, bow. Yo, I gave this nigga the fucking steel braided lines for the front. He still ain't put them on yet.
Oh, I'm sorry. Why didn't you put them on?
It's a lot of work, nigga.
All right then.
Listen.
You gonna pay for it?
I got you. I'm getting the money back. You ain't never getting that back. You ain't never getting that back.
So when you sleep at night, all you hear is this motorcycle noise.
Wait till summer.
I live by Atlantic, and I live on Atlantic in this back.
Don't say where you live at, but all summer.
Like you just invited somebody to think about your crib.
And they got the real speeders.
All stunt. All stunt. I'm be looking up my balcony or your mom or what?
Oh, actually, I need one.
Barry. So what you gotta do more? You gotta do to your bike.
Yeah, I'm finished ready.
What you only did to it? Plastic?
Plastic,
You
hot
see
coat.
pictures? No, you see pictures.
I didn't haven't seen the bike. This is what he sent me. All you got to do is put the tire back on. You change both tires.
Red and black, they got your name on it, I think she out there fluffing this one.
I'm recording.
Wow, they're fluffing to the back.
I'm gonna stay out of this one.
It's only red?
It's only the black when you see the back. That's it.
No, I'm talking about the lights. It only turn red?
I don't know. I don't know if it flickers. I'm pretty sure it do because the other one did.
All you need is red though.
Yeah.
Cause it's red and black.
But honestly, when you even if you put that like that clear color,
Oh, actually, I might
because
just.
of the red rims, it's
She could take somebody's chick with this bike. Give it a
it's
jump.
the
She riding with Maniac, huh?
You riding with you?
Yo. No, I wasn't talking about
Damn.
what.
Oh shit. Fuck. Pedals? My bad, my nigga. Oh fuck.
What happened?
Gotcha, bitch.
Stop doing that shit. I think I got enough money. Like, God,
Here.
you not being such an asshole.
Here, open this.
Fucking Drake in the face ass nigga.
Look at your bed getting hot. Look at your bed getting hot.
ride until I can't no more.
You just mad because you won't drink beer.
I'm mad because I don't drink beer.
Beer's for men.
Fuck out of here. That's disgusting.
Okay.
Nope.
I'm gonna go to Hooters and give me that big ass jug of beer, son.
Man,
Yo, they got
think
the
about
beer like
losing
this tall, so you be
Like
straight.
the picture, right? The big picture.
You be straight by the time you done. I feel like Thor in one of them motherfuckers.
Oh wait, nah, you can't play it. Can't play it. Copyright.
I don't know rights to this video.
Nah, YouTube gonna pull that shit.
What's saying that?
Trust me, that's why I got no music playing in here while I'm recording. Any little thing, they'll pull the video.
What's saying? YouTube is gonna be petty.
Even if you sit here and say you don't own no rights to it.
Nah, this ain't Instagram. YouTube gonna be like, uh-huh. What's fucked up is they'll leave the video up with me doing this, and then he'll get all the money. The nigga, Lil Nas nigga, get all the money for this video that I'm doing.
That's crazy.
That's how copyright work, man.
No, that's what happens when you own your intellectual asset.
What the fuck is you talking about, Pedals?
Music is an music books, those are intellectual assets.
My nigga been reading.
Well shit, you don't?
Nah. Nah.
Very holistic.
You said hold it. Why would you put it in there? That makes sense?
No, you gotta throw that away now, yeah.
Yeah, because no matter where you put it, it's gonna stay in there. Follow directions, ain't you?
I'm
I can sit
recording.
on this here? No, it's gonna break.
Yeah, just move the stuff over. Nigga, what? How much you think you weigh?
I don't know, my weight dropped.
That shit is like 1,500 or 2,000 pound capacity.
30 now. I lost weight.
Oh, I said that? Damn, son. Yo, Barry, that's cold, Barry.
I'm looking at her too, like.
What are you talking about? I didn't say
You
anything.
a damn lie.
What did I say?
You said some slick shit.
See, you don't even know what I said because I didn't say nothing.
Cause you mumbled something.
I didn't watch the video. I didn't say anything.
See. You lie.
If I lied, it would drop.
You lie, Scott.
No, that's not a Scott.
Yeah.
Why is this country so cold?
That's crazy.
Oh, that's where you from? He Guyanese.
Where your family from?
Down south.
I know you
What the fuck?
Fuck that supposed to mean. Don't let all southern people fool you.
I ain't never met a southern woman yet that can't cook.
Okay, that's good
They
thing.
can't bang the pots and pans.
That's good thing. I bring the pots and pans. Watch me on Labor Day.
What?
Watch me on Labor Day.
Oh.
Yo.
I won't get in trouble.
I'm fucking with you. You gotta see his nigga face. Not again.
Yo, he say playing. Like, why you gotta do that for?
It was the best time to get away with it.
Why?
Because it ain't my bike.
Are you gonna do the same thing on the other side?
Wait, am I forgetting something?
I really need to stop paying attention to what he's doing. Stop harassing him.
That's why I
Frank
had-
did his shit last
What are
time.
those screws for?
This?
Yeah.
It's to hold the brake calipers in.
Mhm.
So it goes through the little loops on the brake pads.
Yeah, right.
So you just pull the rotors off, and
Pull the caliper
pull
off.
the calipers off, pry it open,
Pull-
undo the screws.
No. Pull these out. These bolts. They go under this shit. This little shimmy thing. It pushes the pad down. And these things lock the pads in so they can't come out. And that's
Yeah,
it.
It goes through the little loop.
Yeah, that's it.
Don't try this at home.
I'm gonna watch him do it a couple more times. So I try
Nigga said a couple more times.
That's like the next 5 years.
He ain't gonna never do that shit.
Barry got jokes today. She just
Barry got jokes all the time. You mean it today, nigga?
gunning today.
When we met her, she was so nice. Just started hanging out with
I
Tasha.
started hanging out with
Hanging out
Pooh.
with Tasha.
Oh, is that rotten Tasha that gets
Oh, I don't know if she rotten, but I started hanging out with Pooh. No, when you see this video, I did not call you rotten.
I would have gotten away with it if it wasn't for those meddling kids.
I plead the fifth. It wasn't me. I'm gonna go back to the old Barry. Keep quiet. Don't talk to nobody. Read my Bible.
I was waiting for something like that. I was waiting for something like that. You want to wipe the bike down? I know it's a little dirty.
It's gonna get dirty when he start riding back again. Where you mounting it to? Where you mounting it to?
On the mirror.
Oh, you gonna put the side panels on it?
The side panels?
The side-
With the little missing pieces? You got them?
So what you gonna do when you white
Bring
line?
them.
What you gonna do when you white line?
I leave the mirrors open.
You
I
good.
I see a nigga throwing it up down fucking Linden. Yeah.
I can do all that what I don't.
It's expensive.
It's expensive.
This is when you drop hard. You don't try your best not to drop hard.
Been around.
But this shit got a whole traction control. You gotta literally take out the whole electronic system to deliver.
Yeah, them all ones is different, man.
You gotta disengage everything. You gotta stop and it's a lot of work.
Alright, one left.
Oh, you got like a button you press?
Un más. Un
Yeah,
más.
stop one for it. Okay.
You gonna just people?
Don't trust people.
Barry over here working out and shit.
You been nice.
Sit down.
Hmm?
Nice.
Gotta keep them in shape.
You look like shit. Yeah.
Good enough. Stop bragging.
I'm not.
Man, I can't
Then
believe
you wrap them around.
man such a nice thing to buy.
With me? I ain't no rush. Listen to me. I go down today. You don't understand. Y'all won't see me at all. No, that's
Stop saying that shit.
that's the reality of this shit, man.
Reality. Stop saying that shit.
That's the reality. I'll go down and I gotta look, Barry, look. I'll go down and I gotta knock everybody bike down. You know what I'm saying? Now everybody down. We down together. We down together.
Nobody rides.
For real.
Not till my bike come back up.
Every year I don't rush that
Or
shit,
you be
man.
like, Frank, fuck, right before murder.
Yo, pedos.
How you
That's-
crack your shit?
I got bad news for you, my brother. You got a fork seal leaking.
Oh shit. See?
Is that
Just talk
it?
about that shit. Stop talking about them shit, man. What the fuck?
I'm getting.
Now you don't have to change it. What happens is the other side is good. This side is leaking. The only thing, the purpose of this shit is to give you a smoother ride. So it's gonna be a little bit more choppy. Not the end of the world.
Can I fix it at the end of the season?
If you want to. If you want to. I'm gonna wipe this off and we're gonna see
But why
how
change
much is
one and not
leaking.
change
No, you gotta
both?
change both. You gotta change
Got
both.
to.
So more than likely, the other one is gonna go out soon too. I know niggas that roll with fucked up fork seal for 5 years. Look.
You can't receive that shit?
No, they gotta come back off. They gotta come off. And remember, mind you, the seals is like $2 for $5 or something. It's the work to do it. So you gotta change the lube in it too, the fork oil. You Gotta change that
You
too.
literally just was talking about that shit.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you.
Fucking
Son,
Everybody
if I go out and drop son,
Look, he gonna come back. You're away from you. You're fucking
I'm
jinx,
really
you
want to
boy.
push everybody
You're
shit.
fucking jinx. Yeah. Come back and knock everybody off shit. Who fuck you? You jinx too.
I'm gonna get cursed.
There ain't no scumbag body riding my nobody.
Alright, so we're gonna see how much is leaking, man. This is stupid.
He said no.
Alright, one left.
Oh shit, I can't breathe.
Alright, let's change this.
Whistle it.
My own opportunity. Riding a fucking butterfly for the summer.
Y'all supposed to get my shit, man.
What?
The niggas ain't approve my loan.
Say word.
Mortgage.
Listen,
The mortgage,
you
man.
talking that shit, just like how you throwing the shit right now, and that's what happened. This shit
No.
is already approved and everything.
The
And then
mortgage.
you have, yo,
I kept on saying I was gonna get it. It's the mortgage. Your niggas like, yo, we don't know. Alright.
But how?
I could have just bought the shit, but
But how?
Don't
do
spend
they?
cash on the depreciation.
There you go.
Exactly.
credit. I need to build my shit too.
Cash. You don't
I need
do
to
that.
build my credit anyway, so. But I might buy another bully though. It won't be a new
Get
one.
you a ZX10 and cut the shit. What's wrong with you?
I got your face in that one too. Yeah.
I'm sorry, you can't. Once you go up, you can't go back down.
We up. He went down with that.
No, you didn't.
Nah, man.
No, you didn't.
That's the fat boy.
Nigga, that's when you retire, nigga. You ain't with the shits no more,
That's
nigga.
the fat boy bike.
Why you think I ride so
Last
slow?
time I did 14, I'm going to a cruise with myself.
I swear to God, if you do that, I'm
Little
like,
Barry.
You ain't going nowhere. Ain't worried
Why you
about
think I ride so slow, man? You know what I'm saying?
it. This?
Be honest.
Did you ever hear the story how I felt? You know, Pooh knocked me off my bike. And I was in the front. I was in the front.
What the fuck is
you was
this?
moving too slow.
What the fuck is that? Super Smash Brothers? You just knock them motherfuckers off?
He was like,
What's up?
Yo, you's a motherfucker, fool. Why you knocking on women?
I didn't, man.
Yo, no joke, bro. These cameras make this joke. They'll go for look like joke, bro.
Well, that shit on there too. It's no sticking out a little bit right here.
Yeah, I ain't worried about that. Yo, coming out to the summer.
They'll be out today.
I like Mr. Blue. I gotta find some stickers with berries on it.
What?
Berries.
You really take this very shit serious.
No, don't use that one.
You see my bike? Both sides. of this berry.
Pedals, give him that rag right there.
Advertise me, Captain.
Both of my sides of my bike said Miss Berry.
Actually, I need a shorter one.
This shit serious.
That's my name. I'm about to get it
It's not
started.
just a name for you.
It's about to be a brand.
It's a way of life.
Oh,
I ain't gonna lie, those people was moving, man.
Yeah, they rally cars.
They both come with all-wheel drive, right?
Hold on.
They probably will.
No, all we got.
You bet you don't get stuck in the snow with that shit.
You been stuck nowhere with that. Nowhere.
Coming out.
be safe. Come back in one piece.
And
Where you riding to?
wanna go by Kingsborough side there and come back.
Kingsborough. What's over there?
No, stop lying to him. He about to go visit your mama. That's where he going.
I can't stand these fools.
You gotta say mama mad hard. You know what I'm saying? It hurt more. Oh, that shit sound good. Yo, you know he got one silencer in and one out? They blew the other silencer out. He don't like noise. Yeah, he don't like noise.
You threw the other one out.
I meant to take the other, but he gonna know the difference though.
Hey, my style is gonna be
I know he was gonna say something.
have a real street fight.
How you threw the other one out?
I don't know. I guess it wasn't tight enough.
Who's that?
I like it straight like that. Oh, my grandmother.
You got your grandparents too? I got my grandparents right here. Look.
That's what's up, man. This caliper dirty, nigga. This shit. Only got one good glove left. Oh shit. Oh shit. try this one. Oh shit!
Yo, check it out.
Yo, Barry.
Prostitution ring in the colleges. AC.
Yo, Barry, use this thing right here. That long one. Take that off, right? Take that off. No, pull it off. Pull it off. Now put that here. And crack this.
Let's go.
And crack this. No, use that and crack it. That got the leverage on it.
With this?
No, take that off.
No, put that in. I can't say put it.
Put it here. Make sure you're loosening it.
Alright, this way or this way?
Yeah, that way.
This way?
Towards me. Now use this one. That. Alright.
That shit was tight.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I take pictures now.
Now this shit's still tight. That nigga posing.
That nigga don't stop
Wow.
when you play underneath the thing like that.
I don't know if he run. You gotta ask him.
No, I mind my business.
I took two.
Well, I see ya.
My dress got long, man. I can't feel the wind on my neck.
Can't nobody tell me nothing. Yo, when the rails go on, it's gonna look good. When the rails go on, it's gonna look good. I actually like those.
I wanna
Yo, you got gloves in your car? Where your car at?
what type of gloves?
Like the last one. Yeah, but the better ones. You got other ones? These are the cheap ones.
Oh, you want the ones that?
Yeah. These are my last two. Yup.
Yo, you home?
Yeah, I'm home.
Okay. I sent some movements.
Oh, okay.
Yo, I just got rid of the ram, you know.
Yeah, he's telling me. You texted me.
Just about the ram, man.
Okay.